Hello everyone, welcome to Terra Spatial. In this video, we are going to see how to do layer stacking in ENVIS Classic. So for that, go to the option file and just select that image. So as you can see here, this is my Landsat image. So you can see the band numbers. So I'm just selecting band number 1 to 7 here, one by one. Now I have selected the bands. Just select the option open. So now you can see here the image has been loaded. You can just click any one of this band and just select the option load band for displaying. You can just see here. I'm now selecting this band and loading it here. So you can see here, this is my band, one of the bands. Okay, so now we are going to go to the option basic tools and just select layer stacking in order to combine these bands to form an imagery. Now we have to select the import file. So we have already imported the file. We have to select the bands. So in this case, I'm going to select the entire bands. Otherwise, you can just customize it based on your needs. I'm just giving OK. Now the next thing will be to choose the output location. So I'm going to give layer stack 1 and just going to select the option open. Okay, now we have finished till here, and if you need to change the projection, you can always change it here, or you can just leave it as it is defaultly. Okay, now just give OK in order to process it. So now the process has been completed. Now we have to just open this. Okay, now you can see here it has been layer stacked, and we can just check it by choosing the RGB color. Now I'm going to select 5, 4 and 3, and now select the option load RGB. You can see here it has been layer stacked successfully. Okay, and you can always change the combinations. Yeah, I am just selected one of the false color combination. Okay, you can just check the image here. Okay, so if you have any further doubts, please do ask in the comment section. Goodbye.